and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make strawberry popcorn, a healthy choice. So I'm going to use organic corn, which is whole grain corn, to make this popcorn. So this popcorn is going to be non-GMO. Yes, and it's just 20 calories. Yes, so I'm using non-GMO corns to make this popcorn. So come with me as we go through this journey of making this popcorn. So I'm going to start off by pouring in about 3 tablespoons of oil into the pan that I'm using to make this popcorn. And I'm going to use 1/3 cup of popcorn. So I'm starting with half cup first, then I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of popcorn, making 1/3 cup of popcorn in total. So I'm allowing the popcorn to cook on that low heat. So I also swirl it around a couple of times so that they don't stick together. And yeah, just allow it to cook a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. And yeah, after some time, popcorn starts popping, as you can see. Yeah, so now it's popping. It's popping, looking good. So I'm just going to allow it to keep popping until all the corn finish popping. Then I'm going to move on to the next stage. Now the popcorn is ready. You can see how nice it looks. It's fluffy. Yeah, it's ready. So I'm just going to turn off the heat and allow it to cool. So the next stage in this process is to cut the strawberry. So this is the washed strawberry. I'm just going to dice them into little pieces. If you want, you can also blend them into a strawberry syrup that you can use to make the sauce. But I decided to dice mine into tiny pieces. Stage in this process is that I'm going to be melting some butter. So there's about 4 cubes of butter that I'm using. So I'm melting that in the fry pan. Allow it to melt, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of honey, no sugar. So instead of sugar, I'm using honey to make this sauce. Yes, because this is a healthy choice, cutting down sugar as much as possible. I'm allowing that to melt, and when it's completely melted, I'm going to add the strawberry to this mixture. After adding the strawberry, I'm allowing it to cook on that low heat. Just going to mix it around and cover it to cook for some time. Now the syrup is ready. This is how it looks. You can turn off the heat, allow it to cool down so that I can pour it into the popcorn. Now that the sauce is cool, I'm going to pour it now into the popcorn and mix properly. Yes, I'm mixing it properly, and then I'm spreading it on that tray with the parchment paper on it so that it can dry up, so the sauce can sink into the popcorn and dry up. Before serving. Yes, this is looking so delicious right now. And wait, voila! Here is the strawberry popcorn ready. That's the finished product. You can see it's all pinkish and it's delicious as well. Yes, this is a delicious strawberry popcorn. Try it and see how it tastes. You can make this for kids. This is the summer period. Kids like this, especially when you're watching some video. You can always serve them the strawberry popcorn. It's healthy. You can eat it anytime as a snack. Yeah, so for both kids and adults actually. I love this myself. I love to snack on this strawberry popcorn. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my